Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Twoguysfinance's mobile wallet. Alright, it's gonna be a quick video. We're not gonna waste any time at all. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first thing you're gonna do is to download the Twoguysfinance mobile app and log into your account. Now once you're logged into your account, you want to select the credit or debit card that you want to add to your mobile wallet. Next, you're going to follow the prompts to add your card to your mobile wallet, and then you're going to use your mobile wallet to make purchases in store, online, or in app. You can always review and manage your mobile wallet transactions. Likewise, you can use Twoguysfinance mobile app to add or remove cards from your mobile wallet at any time. Now, don't forget to contact Twoguysfinance's customer support service if you have any issues with your mobile wallet, whatever it is, and you're not sure how to go about it. Just contact the customer service support, and they're going to help you out with that. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Twoguysfinance's mobile wallet. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.